Hey guys, today we're having fried fish. Can you see this? And I believe the fish person said that this is white crab. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the guy said this is white crab. So this is what we're gonna have. And this is my sauce. Oh, by the way, my daughter's on the other side, but she doesn't want to show her face. And I got my rice. Okay, come on in, let's eat. Oh, happy advanced Easter for all of you guys. Come on, let's eat. What do you want? Do you want this one?
Wait, just the boneless one.
This one.
I'll start with this.
You gonna start with that one? Guys, I like the head. Look at the head. Look. I feel sorry for those people who don't like to eat head. Or fish head. Can you guys see the fish? The food? You can? Hope you guys can. There you go. You guys can see the food. How's the sauce? It's okay?
My drink for today is Snapple. Healthy.
The fish is so good. How is it? Careful because of the bone. Daddy should be finished with this interview.
What time is it?
It's almost done.
Only 10?
No. Because we woke up so early this morning. Water. As always. I don't know. Guys, this crab, look. Just look how massive this is. You want to try it? Guys, this is the only crab they sell here in the Middle East. It's not sweet. It's a little salty. Although I just steamed it. You wanna try? Come out. I'm missing something. My veggies. I'm back. Look how fresh the arugula is. This here, you guys can see it. This fish is really, really good. And it's fresh too. We just bought it this morning. Where's your fish? Where's your fish? Oh. That's good.
Apart from the fact that a bone poked my finger.
What do you do?
It's like, you know how the sharp bone, right? Just like
With his.
with the bone.
Mm.
I'm hungry.
You want to try this? Eh? Excuse me. This one? This. It's called snapper.
Red snapper?
No, white. The red one is actually it's good to cook it when it's with soup, I guess. Somehow fried fish and arugula really taste good for some reason. Is that sweet?
No. Not at all.
You mix it with water?
Huh?
You only like the apple one?
No, I like kiwi and no strawberry. I like mango madness. This one is Snapple apple. I like cranberry with raspberry.
Mm.
My favorite one of all is kiwi and strawberry because it's like it has a sweet.
That broke my nose.
What?
The bone.
I thought you said this one doesn't have bone in it.
No, it does, but not like.
That one is like
The-
mini bones.
Yeah. Look at that meat.
ASMR. Hi guys.
Hmm?
ASMR.
I'm not really into that. To me, it's kind of creepy.
ASMR.
Yeah, for some reason. I'm sure, you know, a lot of people love to watch.
I like to watch ASMR slime videos because all they do is poke, they stretch, and they can hear the sound of the slime. It's like it's my favorite ASMR.
They do that too, and I thought it was only
Food? No.
I thought it was only mukbang. Me?
If we get 10 likes on this video, we'll do one video ASMR mukbang challenge.
I don't think so.
Yes, we will. Okay, change it. 10 likes if you want me to be in the next video. We need some more sauce.
Okay. I'm not overcooked, but if we're done.
Nice.
Get some more for us, please. The weather out here is ridiculous. Hopefully we don't get sandstorm. Why is it always does that? When we're doing a mukbang and Daddy is trying to call. Sorry, babe. We're eating. That's mine. Thank you.
Sorry, call.
Yeah, I rejected it. We'll call. When you
Maybe
took my
he got the job.
Hope so.
Look at that. And then dip it in special sauce Mommy made. But don't get too excited. She's not gonna tell you the recipe.
Here's your meat. Your food is like everywhere.
I noticed.
Be careful with the bone, okay?
My favorite part about eating fish is eating the meat with the skin. Especially this skin. It's really like soft.
Do me a favor, babe.
Yep.
Please. Can you get me lemon? Cut it in half if you can't find the, because I want to eat the inside. Whoa. Look at all this. Oops. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That's good. I need lemon. Don't cut yourself, please. Take it easy with the knife. I said be careful when you cut him. Get all this meat. Look at this. Oh, thank you, baby.
There's already...
Okay, thank you.
Look at that killer bone. It's long.
Killer bone.
Yeah, because it's long.
Guys, look at all that meat. Like, seriously. What's so funny?
Remember our first video? We were saying something about how big things were.
Yeah.
And my foot accidentally slapped the table.
It was such a disaster.
But we got good views. My humor gets people to watch.
Okay, I understand.
It's Alberta Einstein. Excuse me.
Wait, yeah, I think it's still 10 o'clock, right? Yep. Yeah. Onto the head. I know it's scary, but it really is tasty, honestly. I used to have a classmate in high school. Like if you would go to my parents' house to eat, and she would see the head of the fish on the table, she would literally scream. She won't even eat.
It's like when you're swimming in a boat. It's like, "Ah!"
And the eyes of the fish.
I was also watching Logan Paul Vines. It's only a skit, so Logan is just like walking down to his hallway. Then the police come in and they're like, "Put your hands up," and he's like this. He's like, "Which one?" Thug life. And then when he was like, "Call my girlfriend Siri," and and then Siri was like, "Which one?" If you guys are math addicts like me, then you'll love this joke. Dear Algebra, stop making us find your ex because she doesn't want you, and we don't know why. Because X, you have to find what X means. So it's like, stop making us find the number X, because when you're doing the calculations, there's so many X and Y's and the Z's and the A's. So, and sometimes it's a grid line, so Y, X.
Okay.
So grid line, yeah, you get it. Giving you some math tips.
And the brain. Yummy. Sorry guys, I really have nothing to talk about.
I do.
Stop.
So, I was watching Dan TDM.
Really?
Yeah. Talking about YouTubers. Oh, sorry, no boom. Yes, Nathan. You don't know who that is. So basically, Nathan is a vlogger. Yes, he vlogs with Zach, Charlie, and Anthony. They call him Amp because that's his nickname. He doesn't like to be called Anthony, but Anthony. GCSE.
Yeah.
I mean SGC. Rachel, Preston. Basically everyone. And he did a video on the longest barefoot Lego walking in the world. They were trying to do the Guinness World Records. And Michael,
Yeah.
first step barefoot into the Legos, and he was like, I quit. Nathan was actually almost there when he almost finished it. 3,500 meters of Lego, and someone actually walked on it barefoot.
Really? Guys, you just don't know how much meat is in here.
A lot.
Like, the reason why I don't buy it all the time, this white crab, is because they're so small. But today, surprisingly, you know, they're big.
When is Good Friday?
Next week.
Friday what? On my birthday?
No, on the 6th. Oh, yeah.
Uncle
Yeah.
Alan's birthday?
I don't know.
Uncle Alan's birthday is on April 6th.
I don't keep track on people's
Birthdays.
birthdays.
That's mean, you know.
It's not.
Yes, it is. What happens if you didn't know my birthday?
Wouldn't that be amazing if I forget I don't know your birthday?
Then I don't know who you are.
So you stop bugging me on presents.
I didn't even ask for one present yet.
I keep asking you what do you want.
A lot. Look at that head. Okay, you can't see the eye. There.
Yeah.
Look at that. Wop wop.
Stop.
Can't stop, get pop. Tell why toys and toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip top. And they say I'm not hot, I'll just lie to the style. Cause I'm icy, wifey. It is when I fight me.
Okay, first of all, she says she doesn't want to be on YouTube. I mean, not on YouTube, but not on the video. And now she's taking over.
No. I mean, face cam, I don't want.
Well,
But talking regularly is okay. I'm good with that.
Okay, guys, I'm so full. I'm definitely gonna eat this tonight. That's for sure. Look how and of course there's still one more. Yummy. And of course we still have
this.
fish. Guys, if you haven't tried fish before, give it a try.
Yep.
Seriously, it is super good.
So guys,
And instead of filleting the fish, you know, try it with bones. It's pretty good. It's actually a lot tastier
it is.
to me, I think, right? So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see
God bless you guys.
God bless you always. Be safe.
Make sure you enjoyed your food. Make sure you pray before you eat.
That's true. Although we pray before we turn on the camera. We should not do that. We should pray with you guys before we eat. Okay, so thank you for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.
Bye bye.